Well, as you saw, it got a little bit late last night. I'm going to pick it up now. Dad's just come over. We're going to get the flooring down. Everything's right in position, but there's a few extra cuts to make because we've got new pipe work coming in that we've brought up. A few more slots to cut out there, and then it all should fit back like a jigsaw. This finishes halfway across that joist.
Oh, I see. Okay, yeah.
In line with here.
Yeah.
So, I mean, there's loads of damage on the boards, but by the time it's, I'm going to sand and paint these temporarily because I've got a load of that floor paint left, and then the next flooring that goes over will cover. Well, just sort of 10 mil.
It's that far corner that needs to go in.
Oh yeah, but it can't go that way because of the wood.
Yeah. It needs to have 5 or 6 mil taken off that far corner.
Yeah.
Which could be done in situ. So the washing machine can just go across.
we go, our floor is down and fully secured. Now it really doesn't look that much different from what it did before Christmas because I'd already cut these and loosely fitted them then. But now we know that it's fully insulated, sealed, glued, screwed, and it's really made a difference as far as how much bounce there is in the floor. Because now it's all glued and screwed, the whole thing's kind of stiffened up, like almost like a mini giant torsion box, I guess. And yeah, it's much better than it was. Now I think chipboard flooring probably gets a bit of a bad press. Maybe that's just due to what it used to be like years ago. This Caber floor, the usual green moisture resistant stuff, 22mm thick, solid as you like, just off the shelf stuff from Wix. And I mean, I can vouch for the fact that this is pretty resilient. When we took the roof off, there were times when it was completely covered in rain in here, puddled. This last board that we cut new, that's actually been sat outside under the snow. I mean, it was vertical, but it was covered and it's been rained on. Measured it, 22mm. I mean, it's not swollen or anything like that. And that said, the OSB3 that we used for the roof, I've had offcuts of that outside, and that really has degraded. It's puffed up, which is, you know, it's fine up there because it's completely waterproof. But I'm pretty sold on this, and I'm sure there'll be people that say, you should have used marine plywood or something like that. But it's a subfloor. At the end of the day, it just needs to be structural. It's tongue and groove. It's interlocking. We're going to have an underlay, and then our final floor, which will be either a hardwood floor or a laminate of some sort. So it's really there for the structure of it rather than being durable to water. If we had a leak, we have a leak, and there'll be more to worry about than just the floor. But like I say, it seems pretty resistant stuff. I have glued all the joins, I'm not sure how much difference that makes, and we've screwed. If you were going straight onto wooden joists, then best practice is to glue them down as well. That just prevents any squeaking, I think, but really the squeaking is usually related to nails rather than screws. And I could have used the ring shank nails in the nail gun on this, but most of this work we were doing whilst little one was asleep inside, so it made sense to screw. Anyway, there we go, the floor's down. I'm sure that really didn't look much different from what it did 2 months ago when I filmed the first time it went down. But we're now onwards and upwards. Time to start throwing in some stud walls. I'm going to start marking out on the floor, get a feel for it, pull the toilet in here. You know, it's getting exciting now. We've marked up where we're going to put the window size for that. We're going to have a unit either side of the nice big window there. So I want to chop out those blocks, all those old bricks, get that opening ready, and then I can build my internal stud work on 2 more of the walls here, which will be insulated like in the first room. But that's it, folks. I've got a bit of tidying up to do. I've got to hoover out all of this sawdust that Dad decided to chop with a circular saw right next to my plumbing box. You're covered in sawdust too. If you haven't done already, you can check out the rest of the garage conversion videos by following the link at the end of this one. There's a full playlist there. And then by the time you've caught up with that, I should be ready with another video. So thanks for watching. Remember, if you can, do it yourself, and we'll see you next time.